So what's up guys, today is actually Tuesday and I'm currently at the gym right now, as you can see, working out. And just so you know, this is actually a documentary where I document every single trade and also my life entirely. This is just to document. So if you see me for the first time and you're feeling the vibes and everything, do me a favor and subscribe, like my videos and share. I would so much appreciate. Now back to the real deal. So today is actually Tuesday and yesterday being Monday, I took a trade on USD and that trade actually got to a loss. Yeah, that trade got to a loss, but regardless, you understand, this is normal in the game. It's normal in the game. What really matters is, are you still showing up? Are you still following your game plan and all of that? So I am not going to beat myself up because of that single trade, you feel me? So that's just it. Today is Tuesday and I'm working out, so just enjoy the video. I'm sure you're probably going to learn one or two things, you understand? So see ya. What's up guys, and we are currently on the second trade of this week. As you all know, the first trade I took on Monday actually got to my stop loss, and I think that trade was actually my first, because recently I made a rule of not trading during the New York session, but somehow I traded during the New York session. I know most of us, we used to have this kind of experience where we make a rule that we're not going to do this, and eventually we end up doing that same thing. It's normal. Every trader experiences it. Whether you're profitable, at some point you were experiencing it, or you're still even experiencing it. So I think we don't have to eat ourselves or beat ourselves up that we made a mistake. We just have to learn from it and move on. So with that being said, I'm currently in this trade now, and it's moving fine. Hopefully it's a good one. What's up you all, and how you all doing today? Today is Thursday, and for that trade I took yesterday, yes, this is what it is looking like now. It has not gotten to break even, it has not gotten to full TP, so I'm still holding the trade. And another thing is that today is one of those days where I woke up very late. Like, it's already 6 o'clock, and usually by this time I don't already dey gym safe, so I still have to go. I'm already dressed up, so I'll just go to the gym. If I see another setup today, I'm going to still add to the position, you understand? But that's only if my setup shows. Overall, I'm overall bullish, you understand? So that's just it. Nothing much. What's up, guys? TP smashed. TP smashed. Like, this trade is, I think, one of the longest, or should I say frustrating, because take a look at the screenshot first. Just look at that consolidation. Like, that thing was, and mind you, this is actually the 30 minutes time frame. That is, every candle represents 30 minutes. You could imagine, guy, very, very frustrating. I'm about going out now, and I decided to like check the trade if it got to my break even or TP, and it happened to smash my TP. Honestly, I'm cool. I think this week was okay. This week was nice, and I'm not sure if I'm going to see any setup. Today is already Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. I'm not sure. Like, the likelihood is very, very small, but still, if I see my setup, I will definitely take it. I am not going to leave it, whether it's a loss or it's a win. I am going to take it if I see my setup. So catch you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please guys, if you're not yet subscribed, do me a favor and subscribe to this channel, because that's the only way I can. It's not the only way though, but I really appreciate. Catch you guys. Peace. Hope you all, and how you all doing today? Today is Friday, and honestly, I was not planning on taking any trade today, you feel me, but it just so happened that I saw my setup and I took it. Yes, I took the setup. I think from my plan, my training plan and everything, the only mistake I did, the only error was my risk. I was supposed to risk about $15 at maximum on this trade, but because my entry was too late, I ended up risking about $18, so about $3 difference. I'm trying to maintain my risk and all of that, but I think that's just the only error. I got my manipulation leg, my displacement, and my fair value gap aiming for 1:3. When it's 1:2, I break even. So hopefully this trade is a nice one, and let's just see. We don't know what is going to happen next. We just place the trade and let it play out. That's the vibe. Guess what, guys? I'm not going to talk much. I'm just going to drop a screenshot so that you see what actually happened to that trade. The trade actually took me out and then went in my direction past my TP. Now, when trades like this happen, I don't really feel sad. You understand? How I feel is that, okay, I at least I got the direction right. I knew what the market was doing, but it just so happened that I got stopped out, then went to my direction. It's normal. So in summary, this week we had 2 losses and 1 win, which actually gave us about $11 profit. Now you might be saying it's too small and all of that, but trust me, this is better. This is enough. You understand? It's better than having a losing week. So last week was a win, and this week too was a win for me. You understand? Slow and steady. And now my balance is about $35 profit. You understand? So that's all for this week, guys. That's all. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.